forecast is correct. We wake up for our first winter storm in this journey. It's really rough here. It's 5 to 6 meters waves and will behave perfect.
So we're approaching Monemvasia. My memories of 20 years ago come very vivid now. So they were stored somewhere for a while. A lot of, like revelations and feelings, and my mind setting of that time is come back to me. It's very interesting. I want to walk because I think I will find more and more of these moments, and I hope I can compare my mindset then and now. It was always something here because it's a natural fortress, and under close attention of the archaeological authorities, this ruins was restored to the look and to the appearance of how it was during Venetian time. And now I can see its drastic change because back then it was mostly ruins. So we will walk this lower city. I'm dying to get there.
We better go straight to the marina. It's too rough to be at anchor right now, and we're gonna start to explore Monemvasia tomorrow.
That's it. It's over there. We have to go up. It's a church now. I don't see it.
Do you think it is this place?
It is.
It is the same book.
It was here.
Yeah, this one!
This one! That's amazing. That's just wow.
Wow. What do you feel?
What It was good 20 years. Very interesting.
I just want to ask, then, 20 years ago, could you imagine that you will be here with the people that will help the world see this story? Just a little bit imagine.
No, not for sure. Didn't even cross my mind. I was thinking about future somehow, just future in general. Not that I come back here. It's just a coincidence, I think. But I wanted to come back here because I love the place.
And now we're heading home. It's 3 days of very smooth sea and fair winds, and I'm going to meet my lifetime friends on the way.
We're almost home. We're about 30 miles away from Antalya. We're in Çıralı. And here's coincidence, my lifetime friends are here taking a winter vacation. Originally we planned that I will come back and take a car and come back here, but so it's all worked together, and they just arrived yesterday. So here we are.
Yeah, so let's see you.
So,
How was your trip?
I'll tell you briefly. First of all, it was fairly long. It was 3 weeks, and I didn't step off these boats. I mean, yes, in daytime, but all nights. We didn't use any hotels or anything. It was our permanent home for 3 weeks. This boat came straight from the shipyard to this 3 weeks journey. We try not to visit very popular places. We visited interesting places, mostly reachable from the sea. You know, in combination with off-season and to be a kind of unique, people are so local, people are so relaxed. You know, they had no visitors for a couple months. Remember I told you I found this icon 20 years ago in the cave? Yes. Yeah. So it's still there. They fixed the stairs because before I was climbing there, and now you can walk there. So they make a boardwalk. I mean, it's safe at least. So and the icon is still there, but in 20 years, because it's open cave, it's left only part of the face, but it's there. What I realized, guys, it's so beautiful to travel off-season. I couldn't find any disadvantages. Weather like this most of the time. This weather like a treasure for us. We're from north, and you can swim if you wish right now. So it's 18 degrees temperature, and we realized that this boat can do it. Yes, we had the weather, but not much. Especially in Mediterranean, people think that season is July and August. And we want to promote this way of using boats when you're actually seeing something which other people cannot see. We can stay for a long time on a boat. It's like a dwelling, it's a home. And when you spend, like if you spend a week on this boat, you start to see the shore like we're seeing right now. You staying in a hotel here, right? And I always stay, when I come here, I love this place, but I'm staying here and looking at this place. It's a different view. It's like this is your home. You know, I think not many people understand how to use the boat. It's so limited, and it's why the marinas are full of boats all the time. I want to introduce many people to this world. It's for everybody. But the main thing, you can stay on the boat and occasionally go to land. It's gonna happen same like with the apartments or, you know, Airbnb. Everybody's using Airbnb. Or if it's just like you travel, I know you always travel together. So just two of you, you don't need a whole boat. You need a room in this boat. One room. And we make it possible. We want to make it possible that you can spend, and it will cost you not much more than your vacation here. And you don't lose the comfort level. It's all normal. You don't feel like you change your environment. It's not like you get a tent and staying on the beach. You would change drastically different from your apartment.
We like travel, and being on the boat, it's like you're traveling all the time. You continue traveling because you can go along the shore to any place you want.
Yes.
It's like you can
Freedom. Freedom. The key word is freedom. But main point, you're always home. You always come back, you're home. Doesn't matter which part of the world you are.
That's why you're traveling with your home, and you stay in your home.
Yeah,
and
traveling with your home. It's great to get back to Antalya.
You know, the first trip, the maiden voyage, it's always tricky one. It's when usually all the mistakes, all the imperfection of construction process are revealed. We didn't have any malfunction. Like everything's supposed to work, and nothing failed, and no leaks, and no failures. It was like a rock. I know what these kind of waves can do to the boat, but everything what happened was 3 times less than I expected. Inclination-wise, motion-wise, the boat is very, very stable, very seaworthy, very sea-kind. It was a good place and good completion of the journey, and I really feel like this 20 years between these 2 visits is a lot of time. I was 39, I'm 59 now, and I guess that I was back then in preparation. Like I said, I was fishing commercially, fishing in the Okhotsk Sea. 5 steel ships, nothing but the steel working there. Yes, it was a tough business, tough time, but lots of hopes. Well, as always, lots of hopes, and it was about sea, it was about boats, it was about fishing. My thoughts was back then very, very much connected with the boats in general. These 20 years were the years of creativity, and not only brand Bering, but many models of Bering was created. It was very, very creative time, and I really feel like it was best time of my life between these two visits. Hopefully future will bring us something exciting too, but so far it was very fruitful time. It was very positive. I was gaining experience, gaining and building. I went through these years, tough times, very tough times, incredibly tough times, some better times. So it's this recollection of all these memories is probably kind of make me rethink a few things, maybe sort them out, and they settle down in my memory, maybe in a little bit different order now after I made this trip.